Question 5.3 says, in Tokyo, they will visit the Tokyo Tower, which is in a communication and observation tower. The tower is that many feet tall. Okay, so it's 1,092,196 feet tall and has 2 viewing decks. The main deck is 150 meters above the ground, and the top deck is 250 meters above the ground. So there's 2 viewing decks that we can see that we have been given over there. And then we have the viewing decks, adult, it says 19 years and older, and how much each person is going to pay according to their age. Write in simplified form the ratio of the height. So we want the ratio of the height above the ground of the deck to the top of the deck. You have to put it in the order that is given in. Okay, so we know the height of above the main deck. We've been given above the main deck. So it's 150 is to 250. 150 is to 250. I wrote it in order, but then I didn't finish it because it says they in simplified form. It's important for us to then, so my cheat sheet when I do this is that I go to my calculator and I make 150 the numerator and I make 250 the denominator. So the calculator automatically simplifies it for me. So 150, okay, 150 all over 250, which is 3:5. Okay, so that's like a little cheat sheet. So that will tell you whether the number is simplifiable, if there's such a word. Convert in meters the height of the tower, if that is that. So we're moving from known to unknown again. If 1 meter is 3,281 feet, we want to know what it's going to be in meters. So feet under feet, meters under meters. Okay? Feet is to feet, meters under meters. Let's go see if, it says here if 1 meter, let's go see the height of the tower. So this is the height of the tower. So I'm going to write this tower, the height exactly as it has been given. Okay. So 1092,1916 feet. So we're converting it. Cross multiplication and divide. Therefore, 1 times 1092,1916 divided by 3,281. Calculator yet again. Don't walk into a mathematical literacy exam without a calculator. 19. You are also not allowed to, times 1. You're not allowed to borrow calculators in an exam either. 3,281. So that is 33. So in my given context, I was given to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to give my answer to 3 decimal places. So that's 332,884. And it's in meters. Don't forget to write this meters. Sometimes you get a mark for it. Danny stated that if they had been in a group of 60 people observing the main deck, they could have received a 30% discount on an adult ticket. Verify whether his statement is correct or whether his statement is not correct. We need to now go and see what the information is going to be in terms of discounts and so on and so forth. So if there were 60 people observing, they would have gotten a they would have received a 30% discount. main deck. So there's main deck. And then it says group of 50 people or more. Okay? And if it's adults. Did he even say whether it's adults or not? We are not sure, but we are going to assume it's adults. Let's go just read that again. There we go, for an adult ticket. So we just need to double check that. So it's going to be 960 yen. Okay. So that 960 yen is then given there in terms of the discounts. Let's see what this guy is saying to us. So originally, they would have paid 1,200 yen. Originally, they would have paid 1,200 yen. However, the more they are, they then now pay 960 yen. So it means that we need to go and subtract those two numbers by each other. So that's 1,200 minus 960. Okay, so when we get that, let's see, 1,200 minus 960 is 240. But now, because we are looking for percentage, we have to calculate this 240 all over the total, which is 1,200, because now we are looking for percentage and multiply it by 100. Actually, this is percentage difference. If you use your percentage difference formula, it should also help you in terms of that. 240 all over 1,200 multiplied by 100. That's 20. So it means the discount would have been 20%. So he is saying that they would have gotten a 30% discount. So no, his claim is not valid. Therefore, his claim is not valid.